Hello, I would like to introduce you my new contingency motor grip rope. It's not a motor grip plier, so I cannot say it's a plier, and it's made of just one ribbon, one piece of ribbon, and I attach a battery foam pad, a fraction of battery foam pad at one side of the ribbon. Use some glue and a hook, insert a hook inside it, just a simple battery strap hook, and then I tied a knot at one end so that the hook doesn't come out of the ribbon. And the way I use it is like here. I insert both ends of the ribbon through the hook and then grab it at equal length, and make sure that when the hook squeeze it in, it doesn't interfere with the foam here. So this is quite good, and I will show you how I remove the prop out first, because now the prop is in, and I just insert my ribbon through each blade of the propeller, and then make an equal length, and then before I squeeze it in, I will wrap the rest of my hand. I wrap the rest of the ribbon around my hand, but I left my index finger and thumb out, so it will be something like this and this, so that my index finger and thumb can squeeze the hook onto the motor. And the tricky part is the length of the wrapping. Yep, that should be good. It should be good, but I want to make it tight, and so remove the prop out using your thumb and index finger. Yep. So it's out there now, and the same way, the other way around, to insert the props in, just squeeze the motor gripping rope in, and then insert the prop and insert the lock nut, and then tighten it up. The motor gripping rope. Yes, it should be fine now, but I will adjust my final tightening again. It should be fine now, actually. Hoover. Yeah, that's it. So remove all of the rope out, and now I got a very tight propeller onto my motor. It will never come out anyhow. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the motor gripping rope.